still want CBS on YouTube TV? Here's what changed. Hey YouTube TV viewers. If you've been wondering whether CBS is still available on your streaming lineup, you're not alone. Today I'll walk you through what's changed and how you can keep watching your favorite CBS content. CBS has long been a key player on YouTube TV, offering everything from hit dramas and live sports to breaking news and award shows. But as with many streaming platforms, behind-the-scenes negotiations can sometimes impact what channels are available. The good news is that CBS is still part of the YouTube TV lineup in most regions, so chances are you haven't lost access to your favorite shows. Before we go any further, if this kind of update helps you stay informed, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more. And in the comments, let us know, what's your favorite CBS show to stream? To double check that CBS is still available for you, start by logging into your YouTube TV account. Head to the Live tab and scan through your channel list. If CBS is listed, you're all set. Now, if you don't see it, don't panic. Availability can vary depending on your location. YouTube TV uses your home area settings to determine which local networks you get, so make sure those details are up to date in your account. Occasionally, contract negotiations between YouTube TV and content providers like CBS may lead to brief service disruptions. These are usually resolved quickly, so even if CBS disappears temporarily, it's likely to return soon. Meanwhile, some CBS content may still be available through on-demand options or via the CBS website and app. Shows like Survivor, FBI, or 60 Minutes often remain accessible outside the live channel feed. It's always a good idea to stay tuned to official updates from YouTube TV. They'll let you know about any changes, temporary or permanent, that affect your streaming experience. That wraps up what's going on with CBS on YouTube TV. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss an important streaming update. Thanks for watching and enjoy your shows.